Alrighty, so let's get started. Okay, so to log into the court portal, you actually use the same website that you use if you're an attorney. You just go to peachcourt.com. The main difference is if you are a judge's office, judge's assistant, or anyone from the court that would be using the portal, you do not use the register button in the top right corner. You would need to email Peach Court. That would be at info at peachcourt.com. Let us know who you are and that you need a login, and we'll get you signed up, get that information sent back to you so that you can sign in. It's just extra measure of security so that we can keep track of who's registered for the court portal, because obviously you can e-file orders and things such as that from this particular portal. All right, so to get started, I'm just going to click sign in and get signed into one of the demo accounts we have here. Well, try that one more time. There we go. Okay, so this is probably going to be one of the shortest webinars you have ever attended. That is due to the absolute simplicity of this court portal. There are very few steps when it comes to what you're looking for and to being able to file. So let's just get to it. All right, so when you are in this portal, you actually have access to our 186 state and superior courts that we have in Georgia. For today's demo, we're going to be filing a demo into Fayette Superior Court. So I selected Fayette County, and I'm going to select Superior Court. Here in the search terms, you can search by party name or by case number. So I'm just going to look for a 2018 case that we can file into here. All right, so it's populating a ton of results for us because obviously I just put in 2018. But if we had put in an exact case number, the exact case number would appear first in the list, and any related matches would appear after it. We do that just in case you've missed a digit or if you have the name spelled a little bit differently than what the court has. That way we can show anything that may possibly be what you're looking for. All right, so we'll just click on one of these here. And this takes us to the case information page. The case summary here is going to show the initiation date, the assigned judge, the case status, party names, as well as attorneys. For Fayette and for actually most of our courts, we have a direct connection with the clerk's case management system. So even things that are manually entered by the clerk will appear here. If an attorney has manually filed into the case and the clerk's office has added that attorney to the case, they will appear here in Peach Court, as well as anything that has been manually filed. That proceeding will show up in Peach Court within minutes after the clerk enters it. So any changes that the clerk makes, if the case closes, if there's a different judge assigned, any change the clerk makes will appear here within just minutes after that change is made. We get case updates constantly throughout the day from the clerk's system. So if we wanted to view the filings in this case, we simply click the button that says Filings. And this populates the documents. So the list you see here on the left side are the proceedings in this case. And as you click through them, the document itself appears here on the right side. So this particular, let's see, so this particular one, we can actually download this PDF, we can print it. From this portal, this is actually tablet friendly. You can kind of tell by the way it's set up. So if a judge wanted to use an iPad on the bench or something and need to look through the case file, they would have it there and they could just flip through the different documents on their iPad or their laptop or anything that they have there available. Peach Court's web-based, so anything that has a browser they can access this case from. All right, and they just click through it. And like I said, they can download, print, or anything they need to do with the documents there. And there's never any charge to view or print documents for anyone from this portal because, of course, everyone using this portal would be associated with the court. All right, so if I wanted to file an order into this case, or a rule dicey or notice or anything like that. We just click the big green button that says File into this case. It's pretty simple. All right, and notice we have select a PDF file to upload. So the document type does have to be a PDF as far as the file type. That's the type that the clerk's case management system can import, so that's why we have that requirement. It's very easy to make a PDF. It can either be a scanned document or the Word document can be converted to a PDF. But once you have it created and saved on your computer, you just select a PDF file to upload, and that pulls up your browser or the documents folder. All right, so I'm going to select the demo order here that I have prepared, and I'm going to click Open. Well, where'd it go? So I've got my document type here of order. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. So now the upload button turns green when we hover over it, and we click that button, and you'll notice it populates down here under uploaded documents. The description field here, this is something that if you wanted to put the title of the order, you could put that there. That would appear on the docket. That is something that's amendable by the clerk's office, though. If they wanted to make any changes there, they could do that, and the changes would be reflected on the docket. All right, so now we have the order uploaded. The next step is for e-service. So first I'm going to tell you how this step 2 right here with e-service currently works. And then I'm going to tell you how it is going to be improving very soon within the next few weeks. So currently, you have to already know the email addresses that you need served, and you have to enter them. You click little plus sign here. If you had another one, you go through, add the next one. So we realized that this could be made better by us already having the email addresses stored for the attorneys that have filed into this case so that the judge's office doesn't have to look them up. It's also helpful that we would store these in this case so that when you file into this case again, you don't have to re-add them. So for now, they do have to be manually entered, and they have to be entered every time that this case is filed into. But in the next few weeks, that is changing. And we will have emails already listed here when you go to file into the case, and they will be the emails of people that have e-filed into this case. You will still have the option to remove them. We won't force you to serve anyone, obviously, but it's a little less tedious work not having to go look up those emails. And additionally, we'll also serve the attorneys courtesy copies associated with their account, like their legal assistants, paralegals, things like that. So that's very helpful as well. All right, so when you're ready to submit, you just click Submit Filing. There we go. All right, so this is our peach number, and this is already sitting in the clerk's office awaiting their review. Obviously, they're going to reject this for us since it was a demo, but if they accept, the filer would get a file stamp copy back with the acceptance notification. And if it was rejected for some reason, they would get a rejection email from the clerk with the comments from the clerk's office showing why they rejected, and it would also have a link to resubmit. So once the clerk accepts, not only will we send notification to the filer, but we will also send notification to the people here listed for e-service. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, you could always reach us down here in the chat box when you're going through the filing process, or feel free to contact us at info@peachcourt.com. If you would like to set up an account, you can also email info@peachcourt.com, and I am also available here at the email you see listed, Misty, M-I-S-T-Y, @peachcourt.com. So you can always reach out to me as well if you have any questions at all. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, go ahead and send them my way, and I'll be happy to help. But the process is pretty simple. We do everything we can to simplify it. Attorneys probably have 5 or 6 different pages they have to click through to file things, but judges, it's all consolidated to one page where you just upload your PDF, put in your service recipients, and submit to the court. So it's really simplified. But if you have any questions, just let me know. If you don't, I hope you both have a great day. And if you need anything, just let us know.